like we talk about splitting your plots, you know, year to year to year, where you got some in clover, some in turnips, in that field or that area. That way you can start rotating your crops accordingly. I think is where you're going to benefit with that, with keeping good consistent food there for them coming out of this summer. Um, Especially, I would look back at your previous trail cam pictures and see if it's a buck you recognize from last year. Even if it's a buck that's not there at the beginning of season, but he comes back sometime in November. Like if right now you could start to pretty much start to see that frame if it's going to be one of those bucks that you might recognize from a year or two prior, and then look back at that date that you got a picture of him or an encounter with him, and then give him a chance at getting a crack at him then too. It's something we've had success with because some of the bucks we have in the summer and then they leave. A good amount of them we retain, but we still do have some that come and go. But a lot of them will come back during the fall at some point. Now it might not be a homebody like we call them, but it'll be a buck that comes back through on a breeding mission or something, and typically it'll be around the same date that you see other bucks come and do that. So whether that's like the 12th or the 16th or something in November, some of these spots we see interloper bucks come off of a different piece of property that aren't homebodies, but we have bucks like consistently on those days coming in year after year in spots because that's when our does are synced out in those spots.